Have you ever pondered the question, why does the universe seem so precisely tuned for the existence of intelligent life? This is the contemplation at the heart of the anthropic inequality, a concept that challenges our understanding of our place in the cosmos. Our journey through this intriguing concept begins in 1974, when British mathematician Brandon Carter coined the term Anthropic Principle. This principle posits that the universe's physical laws appear to be finely tuned to allow for the existence of intelligent observers. 9 years later, in 1983, Carter introduced the Anthropic Inequality. This concept was born out of the observation that our universe spent approximately 15 billion years preparing for the existence of intelligent life that has the potential to survive no more than 10 million years, optimistically speaking. Astrophysicists John Barrow and Frank Tipler later demonstrated that this inequality exists for virtually any conceivable intelligent species under any conceivable life support conditions. They suggested that roughly 15 billion years represents a minimum preparation time for advanced life. This includes 11 billion years towards the formation of a stable planetary system, one with the right chemical and physical conditions for primitive life, and 4 billion more years towards the preparation of a planet within that system, one richly layered with the biodeposits necessary for civilized, intelligent life. However, the conditions necessary to support an intelligent, civilized species do not last indefinitely. Factors like the sun's brightening, Earth's rotation period lengthening, declining plate tectonic activity, and varying atmospheric composition mean that in just 10 million years or less, Earth will lose its ability to sustain human life. In the face of this reality, the anthropic inequality presents a profound challenge to the Copernican Principle, which asserts, among other things, that humans have no real significance in the universe, that humans are basically a cosmic accident of forces that did not have him in mind. Yet, as posed in the 2015 article, Lucky Us, Turning the Copernican Principle on Its Head, it is asked, what if intelligence and technology hadn't arisen in Earth's habitability time window? Waltham in Lucky Planet asks. So, how do we explain the remarkable coincidence that the timescale for the emergence of intelligence is almost the same as the timescale for habitability? Researchers Carter and Watson have dubbed this idea the anthropic inequality, and it seems surprising if it is not for some purpose. So, how do we explain the remarkable coincidence that the timescale for the emergence of intelligence is almost the same as the timescale for habitability? This brings us to the latest research and findings. In the 2022 article, How We Moved Beyond Darwin to the Miracle of Man, Michael Denton echoes the sentiments of distinguished astrophysicist Freeman Dyson, stating, "The more I examine the universe and study the details of its architecture, the more evidence I find that the universe in some sense must have known that we were coming." As Denton further notes, and it is not only our biological design which was mysteriously foreseen in the fabric of nature. And as Denton further notes in his book, The Miracle of Man, nature was also strikingly prearranged, as it were, for our unique technological journey from fire making to metallurgy to the advanced technology of our current civilization. Long before man made the first fire, long before the first metal was smelted from its ore, nature was already prepared and fit for our technological journey from the Stone Age to the present. And in the Amazon description for Denton's 2022 book, The Miracle of Man, The Fine-Tuning of Nature for Human Existence, it is stated, "For years, leading scientists and science popularizers have insisted humans are nothing special in the cosmic scheme of things. Michael Denton argues otherwise. According to Denton, the cosmos is stunningly fit not just for cellular life, not just for carbon-based animal life, and not even just for air-breathing animals, but especially for bipedal, land-roving, technology-pursuing creatures of our general physiological design. In short, the cosmos is specifically fit for creatures like us." Drawing on discoveries from a myriad of scientific fields, Denton masterfully documents how contemporary science has revived humanity's special place in nature. As Denton writes, "The human person as revealed by modern science is no contingent assemblage of elements, an irrelevant afterthought of cosmic evolution. Rather, our destiny was inscribed in the light of stars and the properties of atoms since the beginning. Now we know that all nature sings the song of man. Our seeming exile from nature is over. We now know what the medieval scholars only believed, that the underlying rationality of nature is indeed manifest in human flesh. And with this revelation, the delusion of humankind's irrelevance on the cosmic stage has been revoked. In summary, the anthropic inequality is a concept that directly challenges then Copernican Principle, which holds that there is nothing special about humanity in the universe. It points out the apparent discrepancy in the vast amount of time the universe spent preparing for the existence of intelligent life and the comparatively short lifespan of such life. It suggests a purpose behind the universe that specifically includes intelligent life. And as Denton documented in his book, The Miracle of Man, subsequent discoveries from numerous fields of science have only bolstered this belief and further undermined the Copernican Principle. This concept invites us to question the prevailing belief taught in universities via the Copernican Principle that there is nothing special or meaningful about humanity in the grand scheme of things. In short, it challenges us to dig deep and question whether our lives have any real, meaningful significance in the grand scheme of things or not.